and we are in a winter wonderland. I actually really like this type of stuff, you know, because it makes me feel like Christmas is just around the corner. I love Christmas. Counting down the days already till the next one, essentially. And let's head to work now. Oh man, I don't know. I feel great about this. I should probably move to like Colorado because I love this type. And I'm very proud of my little car. The all-wheel drive is great. This has survived, what's that, 2 winters in a row now? Well, going on 2. It will be 2 winters in a row. Survival very, very soon. January's almost over. Winter Wonderland. And now we gotta clean off some cars. Very exciting. Hey guys, my name is Michael, and today is a winter wonderland. I love the snow. I love this time of the year. I really want to ski. This is the perfect conditions to ski. I love when there's thick powder and it's snowing, and oh man, it's been a couple years. Last time I snowed was in Switzerland in 2018. 5 years. Wow. Time really does fly. Yeah, 4 years and 10 months. That was the last time I skied. So definitely want to do that again. And now we're going to go to work and get a couple cars prepared. Here's my favorite. The Defender. Check this out. This is crazy. Just, you can barely see anything. Oh yeah, that's it. Just another day. There it is, but almost slipped as well on my way to the car today this morning. And we also slipped the car in some black ice on a turn, so very slippery today. Take a look at that. Wow. And such a fun color too. Oh man. At the Goodwill. Wow, that's a beast.